Hello, hi. I am Lakshman Sai. I recently completed a data analytics internship at Unified Mentor, where I had the opportunity to work on a project focused on analyzing Uber trip data using machine learning. I'm excited to share my experience with you today. One of the key tasks I worked on was conducting an exploratory data analysis, where I identified insights such as popular pickup times, the busiest days, and fare predictions. I performed data preprocessing and feature engineering to ensure the model's accuracy. Additionally, I built and evaluated the predictive model, which provided valuable insights into trip demand patterns. Throughout the project, I faced challenges in handling large datasets and ensuring the accuracy of the model. However, these challenges allowed me to deepen my understanding of data analytics and machine learning techniques. I also enhanced my problem solving skills by exploring different approaches to overcome these challenges. My internship at Unified Mentor was an invaluable experience that solidified my knowledge in data analytics and machine learning. I am grateful for the opportunity to contribute to such an impactful project and for the guidance and support provided by the team throughout the internship. Thank you for this wonderful learning experience.